Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hi everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video is a question that I have gotten quite often. A lot of my videos have been worldwide. A lot of our credit cousins are actually immigrants or foreigners in another country and looking to build U.S. credit in the U.S. So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips on how to build credit as a foreigner in the U.S. without your social security number. So stay tuned, guys. So, are you an immigrant, or do you have dual citizenship, or are you a foreigner from another country and you're new to the U.S. and you're looking to build credit to maybe purchase a home, a car, or you just want to build a good credit score to be a part of that American dream? So, let's just dive right in on ways to build credit as a foreigner. If you have an international credit card from your country, you can get a letter from the bank displaying your good payment history. Then you will take the letter as a reference to your local U.S. bank and pre-qualify for a credit card and or a loan. So this is the most easiest, quickest way that you can do because you've already established credit history from your country. You can go in the bank, ask them for a letter of reference, and once you get to the US, you use that letter as reference to basically apply for a credit card or a loan. Now, some banks will allow you to use your ITIN number as a social security number, but you remember you have to qualify as well. So that's once you get to the States, then you'll be able to qualify and use that. Okay, ways to build credit as a foreigner. So ask your country credit card company if they will give you a U.S. card. For example, if you are an existing American Express member, you can try applying to transfer your account to the U.S. by doing it online or by phone. You will need a U.S. address during the applicant stage, and you will need to indicate that you are an existing American Express member. So if you are approved, you can even transfer your Amex membership reward points to your new credit card. So this is a really good way to also be able to get a U.S. credit card with little to no work at all because you already an American Express member. So if you are a student, most come here on a visa, and you can be able to get a student credit card with a visa. Okay, you can qualify for a credit card, but you may need to have income first. So I would recommend try to get a on-campus job. Once you go to school and you got your courses and you're already situated, try to apply for a on-campus job, maybe at the library, or maybe an after-school job, or maybe they have a daycare there, or maybe they have a pharmacy there that you can apply, or a bookstore that you can apply for. You can apply for a campus job, and then after 3 to 6 months, apply for a student credit card at a nationwide bank. And now you have check stubs to show, or you can now create a estimate of what you're making yearly. So you can also apply for that. You can also try to apply for a credit card once you get a job offer. What you probably need to do is just take that job offer letter to the bank and talk with the banker and let them know that you are a student from another country and you're here on a visa and you would like to apply for a credit card. So another way you can build credit is by renting. When looking for a housing, you can always ask your landlord or leasing office if rent is reported to the credit bureaus. And if you are qualified to get a ITIN number, then you can use that to basically have the rent reported to the credit bureaus. So documents you may need to submit to build credit is usually a passport and bank account information. Now you can use your bank account information from your prior country, and you can use your US visa if you are a student. And if you also are a student, you can use the form I-20 or the certificate of eligibility for non-immigrant student status. And you may want to provide your country bank statements if your bank is nationwide or if you have a bank back at home. This is just to better validate who you are and basically have the banks tell you yes so that you can, get right on it and get fast into the credit bureau systems. So most popular credit cards foreigners get approved for. Discover It Secure Card, which I really like. There is no annual fee, and it's a secure card, so you will need to deposit $200 of your own money up front, but it is refundable once you build your credit history. Also, the Discover Student Credit Card. Now, it is an unsecured credit card and there is no annual fee, and also it has 0% for the first 6 months. So that's really great if you're maybe starting out in a new country. You may need that credit available to maybe buy furniture, buy school books, depending on your circumstances. A 0% APR interest rate for the 6 months is really good, so that you won't basically get into debt quicker since you're new to the States. And also it has low APR rates. The Capital One Secure MasterCard, there is no annual fee and the minimum deposit starts at $49. So I did want to put this on here, even though this is my least favorite credit card because it's with my least favorite bank. So the Wells Fargo Cashback College Credit Card. Now, this one is a no annual fee, and I'll be honest, I had this credit card when I was in college, but I closed it because I just don't like Wells Fargo. But you can also get this Wells Fargo Cashback College Credit Card. It did help my credit when I got it. When I was 18, I didn't have a credit card, and I was in college and I needed a credit card. So Wells Fargo was the best bet for me. So this may be an easier approval depending on you and your circumstances and how much information you can provide from your country. So there is no annual fee again, and 0% APR for the first 6 months, and there's low APR rates. Okay. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.